What's going on, everybody? It's your friendly neighborhood stock picker, and in this video I'm going to go over Canoo, or GOEV, GoEV stock. They recently got a huge announcement. We're going to get right into it, and then afterwards we're going to look at the chart and I'm going to give you some thoughts there. Now, if you don't mind hitting the like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, it definitely helps get me out there, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Now, GoEV is absolutely running on this news that Walmart agrees to buy 4,500 of their electric delivery vans, and this is actually an agreement to purchase up to 10,000, but at the very least 4,500. And Walmart is essentially doing this just to stay in the game, stay competitive with Amazon. And you know, recently they rolled out their e-commerce service. You can of course go and do pickups, and they also have 2-hour grocery delivery. And this is one perk to Walmart Plus, is unlimited home delivery of groceries. And this article goes on to say that, you know, if they want to expand those services, they are going to need more delivery vans. And this is in fact the third deal that Walmart has made for delivery vans. They've actually purchased from GM, also from Ford, and now here from Canoo. And they want to increase this in-home service, this grocery delivery service. Currently it has about 6 million customers, or 6 million households, excuse me, and they want to grow to about 30 million households. So you're talking about nearly a 5x here. Now, it'd be really great to see some actual numbers, but of course the terms of the deal was not disclosed. But Canoo is expecting to build its vans in their Oklahoma factory, and they should be beginning to go into service next year. Now, what do you guys think about this news? Are you all invested into Canoo yet? I personally don't have a position, but I'm going to be watching it. And let me show you some levels on the chart I'm going to be watching for. Okay guys, now first off, looking at this yellow downward trend line, this has been our resistance. I want to see us break out of this. And keep in mind their earnings is coming out towards the end of August, and by this point, even if GoEV were to just trade sideways, it will eventually break out of this downward pattern. Now, zooming in a little closer to some closer time frames here, you'll see that, you know, this thing just went from about 240, 250 all the way up nearly to $5, found resistance there. And one way that I think would be great to play GoEV here, Canoo, would be on a break of $5. If we were to break $5, I would set a stop loss somewhere under there, not too far under, but pretty close, because I do speculate that if this is to break 5, it will likely push a bit and then hold it as a support. We do have a weak support, being that this has already broken, but when we do come back over that $5 area, I do expect that it's going to try to hold it, especially if the overall market can give this thing some support. Now, keep in mind their earnings is coming, you know, towards the end of August, and they are, according to TradingView, they are expecting 0 revenue. So pre-revenue still, obviously negative earnings. So considering that, I could easily see some pessimism coming into this one as we get closer to our earnings, but I'm going to keep a very close eye on this, and I think that after this earnings comes out, we can break 5, hold it. We may even break it beforehand, but like I said, the closer we get to this downward resistance line, the more likely we're going to break out of it, and that extra push will give us more momentum over $5. So yes, well, I think this is some great, huge news for GoEV or Canoo. One thing you got to consider is coming up, we do have earnings, and in this current environment, you know, those pre-revenue companies have been suffering and may continue to suffer. So like I said, how I would play this, I would play a breakout of $5, set a close stop loss, and simply ride the momentum on the breakout. But let me know how you guys are playing Canoo. Is it a long-term hold for you? Are you selling cash secured puts? Selling covered calls perhaps? Let me know your strategy in the comments below. Thanks as always, guys. Take care.